Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And for today's table topic is how do we stay motivated in tough times? How do we stay motivated in tough times? Tough times and how do we stay motivated? It's a very interesting and I will lay out my perspective in general, the way I approach it. When there are tough times, you have to just accept that there are things which are not in your control. Things are bad right now. Yes, they are. So in that time, you just need to have a biggest faith in yourself, in your capability, and never lose faith in yourself. That I would say. Because if you don't have faith in yourself, nobody else will. So it's very important to have faith in yourself. Be confident. Even if you're not confident, have confidence in you. Be have trust on yourself because it's only you with yourself. So why do I keep saying is because over the period of time I have realized that I have been able to get out of the tough times. I was able to beat things like irrespective of the thing. I able to beat the adversity, adverse times as well. Only because of that I had utmost faith in myself. I was not deterred by anything. Even if the world loses, goes against you, I will not go against me because I will trust on myself. And because of trust, you will be amazed at how much more you can achieve, how much things you can do. You need to believe in yourself. That is what matters the most. Let me give you a small example from my life, one scenario. And let me tell you, if I can, as far as I can remember, I was able to do extraordinary stuff because of the trust in myself. I had a lot of gaps, I had a lot of failures, even though I I've done various things. So coming to the point that uh, in 2020, in worst job market, when nobody was hiring, even if some companies were hiring, they were paying a very little. Like they thought they got the chance to hire someone because there is no one is hiring. At that time, I had taken a job, and that was like a very big hike. And then HR was stunned. I have also lost many offers as well because of that. I was stubborn that I will not. Uh, I will not think that yes, job market is bad and I should not take any hike or something like that. But I was adamant that yes, I will take this hike, and that hike was like 70% hike. Nobody was even ready to give like more than 20%. And I got the job as well. And one of the interview, uh, like various things went ahead. I told them I will only take the job, even though I don't have the job right now. I will only take the job if I was given that much amount, or and I received that hike, and it feels like unbelievable looking back. But it was only because I had the confidence in me. Thank you. Over to you.